We've also installed a lot of stickers reminding social distancing to verify. Well, we invested a lot in additional security measures to make sure that hygiene is on the highest level here at the airport. It starts with control of temperature of passengers at the entrance of the building. Then the mouth masks, which are mandatory everywhere at the airport. We have also a lot of gels available for the passengers so they can wash their hands at every steps of their process in the airport. We have also new technology to clean the infrastructure with UV technology, just making sure that we are taking all measures so that the passengers have a safe travel here at the airport.
We're living between London and Athens, and we've been stuck in London for the past 3 months. So we're going to Athens today. We took the Eurostar yesterday, stayed for the night, and we're taking a flight to Athens this morning. It's really the first day we can go.